In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Loof Tuft in Witchspire. To obtain Loof Tufts, you'll need to hunt down a particular creature that can be found wandering around certain areas of the map. One of the earliest locations is southeast of where I placed my hearth. Along the path leading toward the shoreline, you'll come across a small group of lamloofs accompanied by a granloof. Defeating the lamloofs will reward you with Loof Tufts. And if fortune is on your side, you may even get the chance to bond with one as an added bonus. If you're looking for a more reliable farming spot, then you'll want to head to the Trampling Grounds. Located southwest of my hearth, this area is populated by large numbers of both granloofs and lamloofs, making it one of the best places to gather Loof Tufts in bulk. Whether you need the material for crafting or simply want a good location to earn experience, the Trampling Grounds is well worth visiting. With plenty of creatures to defeat and resources to collect, you should be able to stock up on Loof Tufts fairly quickly. And that's everything you need to know about getting Loof Tufts in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.